Try and get a little water, little baby. Watch, you're gonna see all these birds come over. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. Spawn. They're spawning. They're spawning from nowhere. Spawn, spawn, spawn. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. Vegan is the future. Look up sick factory farms. Shell to hell. In the egg industry, male chicks are ground up alive because they won't lay eggs or grow big enough, fast enough to be profitable for cooked flesh. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. And the females have it worse, debeaked and stuffed in tiny cruel cages for life, over a day per egg. Living in a tiny cage, wears out their bodies, they're bred to lay so many eggs, destroys their bodies to produce them all. Leave animals alone. The poultry industry, they grow so quick, so fast. Many have broken bones and other deformities, suffer from heart attacks and much more. Look up factory farms. Leave animals alone. Pigeons were domesticated and they have little survival skills due to people's behaviors in the past. So try to help feed them, especially in the winter. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. Also, in just 50 years, humans have doubled and killed off 69% of wildlife. Free birth control saves, not child-free fines in so many forms. It's a crisis. And organic saves the birds. Pesticides get in the water, kill all types of wildlife. But migrating birds are killed from all the pesticides when they pass through. So there you have it. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. Some young ones. You're so soft. Little dove, couple doves, baby birds in here. All right, let me get a few more. Let me throw some in the back. All right, little babies. Got a little fan club. Meat.org, meatvideo.com, Earthlings, or Dominion. Watch them. Suffer from birth to death. Slaughter's not even the worst part for the meat, milk, and egg industries.